In this guide, I'm going to show you how you could check how much money you have in your PS5 wallet. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, there is two super easy ways to check your wallet balance here on PS5. The first method is on the home screen. If you just scroll over to the PlayStation Store and then just scroll down a little bit, you're going to see all these different tabs. Scroll up again and then go all the way over to the right to this little more section, just like so. Select it, and up at the very top of your screen, you're going to see your wallet balance displayed, which shows how much money you currently have in your PlayStation wallet. As you can see, I currently have nothing in there. From here, you can also go into payment methods if you want to add a new card or any other payment option. And if you can't access the PlayStation Store for whatever reason, what you can also do is go back to the home screen and go up to the top right, select the settings gear just like so, and then go into users and accounts. From here, just go to account and then scroll over a little bit, and you're going to see in this tab, just like so, a payment and subscriptions tab. Select this, and then once you're in this section, you're going to be able to select add funds, and in this section, you'll be able to see your PlayStation just like so. All you have to do is just start adding additional funds. For example, I could select this and then add more, and as you can see, this is my current wallet balance right there. But yeah, it really is as simple as that. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.